Hi, Frank McCarthy with Galati Yacht Sales. Today we're on the 2016 Intrepid 475 Sport Yacht Angel Ship. Angel Share is powered by Quad Mercury 627 outboards, perhaps the most powerful outboard motor that's ever existed. She has top speed over 60 miles an hour and a fast economic cruise at about 47. This boat, while it's a 2016 model year, has had some significant upgrades and updates since about April of 2020. That includes a brand new Seakeeper put in, a brand new generator with less than 13 hours on it, stereo, we've updated the upholstery throughout, brand new Bentley stitching, we've got strata glass enclosure. All the soft goods here were done by Artful Canvas. One of the best things feature-wise about the 475 Sport Yacht is that it is a true yacht. This is a true two-stateroom boat. So two couples can each have a private stateroom, and the settee and bow table up in the forward end of the salon converts into another even larger bed. So three couples can overnight on this boat quite comfortably. Again, Frank McCarthy with Galati Yacht Sales. Thanks for stopping by the 2016 Intrepid 475. I look forward to helping you learn more about this or any of the other boats Galati Yacht Sales has available.